Today we're going to make something that breaks all the rules. And generally I'm not the biggest fan of fusion, but this is absolutely delicious. Pan-fried pasta, sautéed vegetables, a little bit of butter, and plenty of parmesan. So let's begin. Start cooking your pasta. Today I'm using spaghettini. A hot pan, neutral oil. I'm going to start by sautéing our vegetables. Mushrooms, onions, peppers, cabbage, a little bit of garlic and ginger. Also, please note that we're not going to add any salt to our vegetables because we're going to add soy sauce, and that will take part in the seasoning. So a few minutes later, our vegetables are nice and sautéed, caramelized. Our pasta is finished. And now we're going to sauté the pasta with the vegetables. So at this stage, you want to keep agitating everything in the pan. If you leave that pasta for more than 10 seconds, it's going to stick to the bottom. So I actually didn't set out to offend any traditionalists. I used to work at a Japanese restaurant, and everyone takes turn to make makanai, the staff meal. And normally you only use leftover ingredients, so we'd often mix Western and Eastern ingredients. And in this case, it's absolutely delicious. So now we're going to throw a little bit of butter in there, saute everything for another 30 seconds or so. And now we're going to push everything to the side of the pan and add our soy sauce. So it's very important that we put everything to the side of the pan and let the soy sauce reduce like this. When soy sauce is raw, it's quite salty and strong, but if you use it to deglaze the pan like this, you get more of a mellow and maybe a less salty and more umami flavor. So when the sauce reduces by about half, toss everything together. The noodles and the vegetables will soak up all of that delicious sauce. That butter coats everything perfectly. And now if we haven't broken enough rules already, we're going to add some parmesan. Personally, I think soy and parmesan are an amazing combination. And of course, a little bit of black pepper. So it's a little bit difficult to place this dish in a particular category. You sort of prepared it like a yakisoba while using a lot of European ingredients. Whether you want to call this yakisoba, pasta, or yaki pasta, you decide. I think just about everyone that tries this dish will agree it's absolutely delicious. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see further recipes and techniques, please like and subscribe. And if you enjoy our content, consider supporting us on Patreon. Happy cooking!